Number 11. Complete a course. It means to finish all parts of an educational course.
She will complete the course next month. She will complete the course next month. Many students complete a course in summer. Many students complete a course in summer. After he completes the course, he'll graduate. After he completes the course, he'll graduate.
Number 12. Complete work. It means to finish a job or task.
I need to complete work before the weekend. I need to complete work before the weekend. She completed her work and went home early. She completed her work and went home early. Can you complete work on this by Friday? Can you complete work on this by Friday?
Number 13. Conduct an orchestra. It means to direct the performance of an orchestra.
He will conduct the orchestra tonight. He will conduct the orchestra tonight. She conducted an orchestra at the concert hall. She conducted an orchestra at the concert hall. They learned to conduct an orchestra in school. They learned to conduct an orchestra in school.
Number 14. Conduct a research project. It means to carry out a detailed study or investigation.
We conducted a research project last semester. We conducted a research project last semester. She will conduct a research project next year. She will conduct a research project next year. They're conducting a research project on climate change. They're conducting a research project on climate change.
Number 15. Conduct market research. It means to gather information about consumers' needs and preferences.
He conducts market research for his company. He conducts market research for his company. They conducted market research before launching the product. They conducted market research before launching the product. Conducting market research helps understand customer needs. Conducting market research helps understand customer needs.